Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to create a shoe check image effect on Higgsfield AI. So this is what I mean by a shoe check image effect. Basically, we have a visual trend where the focus object is behind the subject, and the focus object here is the shoe. So we can actually create any of this by first of all you have to go to higgsfield.ai, and once you go on there, you would see amazing visual effects that you can create within uh, click of a button, and just choose the Higgsfield sole area, then scroll to the shoe check option here. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page similar to this where you can actually just choose any effect you want to. Let me just scroll and see. All these are really beautiful. I mean this is really beautiful. So just click on any image that you want to recreate. Let's assume you want to recreate it. Just click on it to see the prompt, and you can see the prompt here. So you just click on recreate, and it should take us to a page where we can actually recreate this image with a snap. So we can see the proper image prompts that was used to create this particular image. So we can actually tweak it or modify it, but I've exhausted my credits for today, so I may not be doing that. So but I'm just going to explain it to you. Just you can see a young woman standing. Just read through the prompt and edit it to your taste, and once you're done, click on generate. You may want to switch to the basic model if you're on the free plan, because it uses a single credit, while the high model or resolution uses about 2 credits. So you can also switch the aspect ratio from 9 to 16 to any other ratio that speaks to you or will be best for you. Then you can also choose, once your image is actually set or ready to download, just click on animate to make it into a video or to add speech to it in this speech area, and click on download here, and you have your image or your video ready for use immediately. So let me know if you have any question concerning this particular image effects in the comment section, and we would appreciate if you could subscribe to our channel as we are actively trying to grow. We'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and do not forget to drink a lot of water.